Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello board automation with Butler rules, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Trello board. Click on the automation option in the menu. Select Butler from the drop-down. Choose whether you want to create a rule for cards, boards, or calendar tasks. If you select rules, click on Create Rule. Decide the trigger for your automation, such as when a card is moved to a list. Select the specific list from the options provided. Now, choose the action you want to perform. You might want to add a label, due date, or move the card to another list. Fill in the necessary details for your selected action. For example, if you're adding a label, choose the label you want to apply. Once your trigger and action are set, review your choices. Click on Save to finalize the rule. Your new Butler rule is now active and will work as specified. To test your rule, move a card to the designated list. Observe if the automation executes successfully. If it doesn't work as expected, return to the Butler settings to make adjustments. You can always edit or delete rules by navigating back to the Butler section. Repeat the process to create additional automation rules as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.